Alright guys, how's it going? We are on chapter 4, lesson 7. We have this one and one more lesson to go in this chapter, and then we are done with chapter 4 and fractions. So, maybe not forever, but definitely for a second. So, today we're going to be learning about how to divide by a fraction and to divide a fraction by a whole number. Okay, so to divide by a fraction, we are going to multiply by its reciprocal. So that's the whole, keep it, switch it, and then flip it, okay? All right, and it shows it right here. We're going to keep that one, flip that to multiplication, and switch or flip it around, okay? So let's go on to our examples. So we have 1/2 divided by 1/3. So we're going to keep, switch, flip, okay? Switch means that we're going to go from division to multiplication, and flip, we're going to change it around. So the first one we're going to do is keep it, we're going to switch it, and then flip it. Okay, which then if we multiply across, we're going to get 3/2, and then we're going to have to make it into its simplest form, which this is not. What you should leave it as, you should leave it in a whole number, okay, remainder, and then the denominator. So, which then we will get 1 1/2. Okay. All right, example 2. So it says create a story. We are not, but we are definitely going to be solving this problem. So we have keep, switch, flip. All right, so we're going to keep 2/3. We have 2/3 divided by 1/6. So we're going to keep 2/3. We're going to switch from division to multiplication, and then we have 1/6, which we're going to flip it around, which is going to be 6/1. And then we are going to multiply across, which we get 12/3. And 12 divided by 3 is going to equal to 4. So our answer for that problem is 4. All right. Number 3, it says find 5/7 divided by 10. So we are going to start out with our keep, switch, flip. All right, so we're going to keep 5/7. We're going to switch our division to multiplication, and we are going to flip 10. Okay, so like I said previously, we have 1 under every single whole number, which if we're going to flip it, it's going to be 1/10. Okay, now what you can do is you can actually divide 5 and 10 both by 5, which you're going to get 2 here and 1 there. So you're going to get 1/14 as your answer after you multiply across. If you don't decide to cross those out, that's okay. You'll still get 5/70, which then again you're going to have to divide, and you're going to get again 1 divided both by 5, and you're going to get 1/14 again. Okay. All right, number 3, Raymond is making party favors. He is dividing 3/4 pounds of almonds into 12 packages. Write and solve an equation to find how many pounds of almonds are in each package. So what we're going to do is we are going to take this number, 3/4. We're going to take 3/4 and we are going to divide it by 12, okay? Because that is the first number that we have, and that is the second number we have. So then we're going to keep, switch, flip. Okay, so we're going to keep 3/4. We're going to switch to multiplication, and we're going to flip 12/1 to 1/12. Okay, and now let's multiply going across, which we are going to get 3/48. Okay, I feel like I'm doing this wrong, so I'm going to take a step back and reread the problem. So Ramon, is making party favors. He is dividing 3/4 pounds of almonds into 12 packages. Write and solve an equation to find how many pounds of almonds are in each package. So I think right here I can already tell that I kind of messed up. So I'm going to cross this out, and I'm going to try again. So I'm actually going to put 12 first, okay, divided by 3/4, okay, and then I'm going to solve my problem. So we are going to keep 12 over 1. Okay, we are going to switch it from division to multiplication. We're going to flip this last number, which is going to be 4 over 3, which then we are going to get 48 over 3. Now, off the top of my head, I don't know what 48 divided by 3 is, so I'm going to put 48 in the box, divide it by 3, and then get 1, 3, 8, 16. So I'm going to get 16 almonds per package. Okay? Alright guys, if you need any extra help, please let me know. Just like I did previously in this example 4, I kind of messed up and I thought, oh, I probably should go back and redo that. Please make sure that you do that. If you don't, you might get the wrong answer. If you need extra help, please let me know. If you need to rewatch this video, please rewatch it. I have extra videos up at the top of our video document. If you need anything else, let me know.